Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, please don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end because my today's video is gonna be very beautiful and creative, and you will be mesmerized and amazed to see that these type of very beautiful and a very artistic, creative and unique patterns of hand embroidery could be a work of hand art, needle art, thread work, or it could be a hand embroidery pattern, because our mind never accepts these type of extremely extraordinarily beautiful designs. So extraordinary designs are waiting for you, and all of these designs are totally inspired by nature, extremely beautiful, creative and eye-catchy. So my only request to you is that please don't go anywhere. So now let's move back towards our detailing of the video. That all of these design ideas are totally a result of the efforts of handwork and hand art, and the purpose of this video is to share beautiful, creative and artistic design ideas of hand embroidery for the hand embroidery beginners, for the hand embroidery artists, for the hand embroidery lovers, for the persons who are interested in the handwork, hand art, needle art, hand embroidery and many more creativities produced by hand art of human being. So guys, you can use any type of thread for making these patterns. The visual that you are seeing right now are made by using anchor, DMC and even wool to design these very beautiful patterns. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you guys that please, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And if you really like my today's design idea, then please don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content, what you want me to share with you in my upcoming videos, and many more creative ideas as well. Guys, please do keep supporting us like you always have been, and do keep sharing my videos with your friends and family and different social media platforms, different community, different groups where different persons and different hand embroidery artists and lovers of hand embroidery share their work and creativities, so that we could get a remarkable acknowledgement and we could grow up into a larger number of YouTube friends and family members. With this guys, allow me to leave and hope to see you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, stay tuned, be positive and stay focused and try to achieve your goals, and never lose hope. And please do mention in your comments that what you want me to share with you in my new upcoming videos. I am requesting this thing second time in my video. So I hope that you will listen to me and you will leave comments below my videos. So Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.